Bababa sa 10 ang abante ng Rain or Shine. Nokum babawi.
Oh, it looked good, 23.
And paano mag-i-improve pag hindi mo bibigyan ng opportunity, hindi bibigyan ng kumpiyansa?
Nokum, last shot.
Nauubos Bok ni Dom ng kakabibilang nun. Deep pass, Clarito off the bench, instant offense, Doc J. Dalawa na nga para dito kay Riley Grigsby. Yung apo mo
Or Rafi Rivas. And kailangan mo sa ganitong kompetensyya to be able to defend some of the efforts and be that rim protector. Kasi alam natin, itong Phoenix is not such a tall team.
Lima naman ang Barangay Nebra. It is Grigsby, Guida Barrientos, Holt, Aguilar, and Rosario. A steal by Jonard. Look at them touch it over. Nokum will penetrate versus kay Holt. Aba si Stephen Holt na nakataong kay Nokum pero ginawa siyang asintahan ni Adrian. Fuller para sa board.
Inaalis nila yung drive eh. Dahil yun ang kanyang pinakamalakas ng galaw.
Yun din naman ang pinakamalakas na galaw para kay Adrian, Doc. Lamang sila ng tatlo, 8-5, Doc. Look at this move. Bringing the hot sauce in the first quarter. Etong si Adrian Nokum. Wala pa. Nokum on the move. Trying to split two defenders. Gawin mo bang tatlo? Kumapit naman para kay Adrian.
9 points in the ball game. 8.
27-25. Yan ay pagkatapos ng mga atake ni Nokum. And of course, yung three-pointer.
He still needs a little bit more convincing with how they play, considering the many turnovers that they commit. Nangunguna sila dyan, averaging 18, tallying 21 in their victory against Ginebra.
Triple overtime?
Wala tatalo sa atin. Kung minsan, nasa rush ka, nandito ako eh.
Pero pa din.
Pero pa din. Ito. Great basketball mind, ano?
Student of the game, ang maganda dito kay
Yeah.
Coach Charles. Si Coach Charles kasi, ano talaga, he's got a passion. It's his passion. He loves the game. Makikita mo na talagang kinausap siya. I feel na coaching staff to be, you know, to take those shots when it is available.
This will work.
Strong move by Nokum. Wow, what a run by Phoenix. Itong Rain or Shine was stuck at 78 and by my count at the 5-minute and 12 mark.
Oh, but good counter by Karakot. No comment, Karakot are back in. Nice drive.
That's just too easy. Masaya nakita natin yung pag-iba ng laro ng Phoenix towards the end of the third quarter, being more aggressive.
Siya pa rin ang nagtapos.
Ginebra back in the lead, 25-24. Fuller from deep.
Yes.
Punches it through.
Oh, just wide open.
Wow. Anong nangyari doon?
How many times have we seen that? 17 points para kay Adrian Nokum.
Tapos Pinto din come in and help him either, no?
Look at that pass, Nokum to Fuller.
Oh,
And he just carved away at Troy.
nung wala dyan si Japet, iba na kaagad. No? He's just killing Troy underneath the basket.
Of course, Dom and I are famous for our extra 5-minute games. Fuller fakes, shoots, scores.
That's why pinasok na itong si Aaron Fuller.
Parang buong-buo ka, no? Oh, nice drive to the basket.
Ito na naman ang Rain or Shine. Mapa-rebound o mapa-made basket ng kalaban.
Just great timing there. Seemed like Nokum yung nakasupalpal doon.
Nice tight pass. Fuller escape.
And that's what the Raynor Shine has capitalized on him. But he has also some very strong moves and strength.
Johnson for three.
Kasi tama si Belle, they were the partners in crime of the end game for Rain or
The end
Shine.
game. Yun na, iba-iba nagsastart pero ilan lang ang nagtatapos ng laro para sa Rain or Shine.
May tira itong Villegas, ha?
Na-shoutout mo kaninang halftime, Doc. Eh.
Zero.
Ambag eh. Nokum inside, drops it off. And one para kay Aaron Fuller.
And we are done here with this. But,
Both of these teams will be back in action sa katapusan, Doc.
Tinatitira
Go,
pa.
Cheng, go for it. Kasi go Ginebra, tumitira eh. Why not? Fuller will have that one count and it will be